Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to learn about cursive handwriting. Open page number 20. Okay. There is a exercise countable and uncountable noun. What is the exercise? Trace the sentences, correct each sentence and rewrite it in the line below. The uncountable nouns are underlined. So, what is countable and what is uncountable noun? There is hint has given. A noun is countable if it can be counted, like one bird, three birds, etc. A noun is uncountable if it cannot be counted, like a little sugar, more sugar, etc. Students, there are many nouns that we can count, like a bird, table, giraffe, or blackboard, flowers. Yes, we can count them. But like sugar, salt, water, these are also nouns, but we can't count them. These are uncountable nouns. So what do you have to do? You have to trace the sentences, but before tracing, correct each sentence and rewrite it in the line below. The uncountable nouns are underlined. So there are some uncountable nouns have given in your sentences. Just you have to correct it. So let's see. Add some sugars in the pudding. So sugars, there is sugars has given. Sugar is uncountable noun. That's why we don't add s to the word. So you have to correct it. So you have to trace on it like this. Add some sugars in the pudding. Just like, okay. Now here there is no need to add s. Okay, that's why you have to write it again. Add some sugar we have to replace s. Sugar in the pudding. In the pudding. Okay, now just you have to give full stop at the end of a sentence. Now second sentence start from this one. The grasses in the garden need trimming. So grasses, it is not correct because grass is uncountable noun and there is no need to add s while it making plural form. So just you have to trace on it. First of all, the grasses in the garden hold your pencil properly. Your curve should be neat and clean. Okay, garden need trimming. The buckets okay, let's see this sentence. The grasses in the garden need trimming. Here is full stop. It means this sentence has completed here. The grasses in the garden need trimming. So there is no need to add s here. So what is the correct sentence? The grass in the garden need trimming. Okay, just you have to give here full stop. Okay, what is the sentence? The grass in the garden need trimming. The grass in the garden need trimming. Now another sentence is the buckets were full of water. Please pass. So it is another sentence. So what is sentence? The buckets were full of water. So there is no need to write s here. Okay, water. So the buckets, write down here the buckets. Students, buckets is plural form and buckets is countable noun. That's why buckets were full of water. Were full of water. Means waters, but correct word is water. Okay, there is full stop. So you have to write here again were write app properly. Okay, full of water. Okay, then you have to give full stop. Then here, please pass. It's another sentence. Just you have to trace on it. Please pass. Pass. Again you have to write here. Please pass. Pass. Okay, just turn your page. Open page number 21. Here is page number 21. Okay, now you have to complete this sentence. Me some salts. First of all, you have to trace on it. Me some salts. Okay, but salt is uncountable noun, and here added s, but there is no need to add s because it is uncountable noun. That's why you have to correct it. Write down me some salt. Okay, then full stop. Now another sentence is cakes are made with flours and eggs. Okay, flours means atta. So you have to write here. First of all, you have to trace on it. With flours and eggs. So here you have to add here same sentence, cakes are made with flours and eggs. Sorry, there is no need to add s. Okay, just you have to erase it. Flour, only write down flour. Okay, I have erased s. Okay, with flour and eggs. Okay, then full stop. Now another sentence is the ices on the mountains is melting. So ices, just you have to replace s and add only ice, means write ice in a sentence. Then another sentence is I like to eat cheeses. So there is no need to add s here, just you have to write cheese in the sentence and complete the sentence, okay, with my toast. In this way you have to complete these 2 sentences, okay. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.